what's up you guys? My name is Tara and my channel is all about teaching you guys how to make homemade skincare products. But I also do like Etsy related videos, business related videos, just like skincare related videos in general. But I kind of recently started a new series. I have a few videos already, so I will put a link down in the description box to my playlist with all the videos I've already done in this series. But this series is where I review my subscribers' skincare products. So since my channel is all about teaching you guys how to make skincare products, I realized that a lot of you guys actually sell skincare products as well, and that gave me a great idea to actually have you guys send me your products and me review them and just share them with my viewers, because why not? That sounds like an awesome idea, right? So today, here we are reviewing another brand. So this brand is called Kennedi's Essentials, and they actually make homemade all-natural hair care products. So this brand just launched in August of 2018, so it's a really new brand. And also this brand, Kennedi's Essentials, is actually named after the owner's daughter, which I think is really, really cute. So one more thing I want to mention before we get into the review, if you guys do like these products, you can actually go over to her website and sign up for her newsletter to get 20% off your first purchase. So there you go. Now you got a coupon code if you guys decide to purchase anything. So let's start with the review. So I'm kind of gonna start with like what product you would actually use first in your routine. So the first product I want to talk about is the Super Cleanse Shampoo. So the reason I really like this shampoo is it kind of almost reminds me of a clarifying shampoo because it does a really good job at like stripping the hair of all the product buildup and residue. So I really like this shampoo. It's got basically like no scent to it. Like obviously there is like a little bit of a fragrance to it because everything does have like some sort of scent, but it basically just smells like an unscented soap. And it has like basically your traditional texture that a like store-bought shampoo would have. It's got tons of lather to it as well. You could definitely not tell it's a natural shampoo if someone just like handed it to you, because I don't know if you guys have ever tried like natural shampoos, but some of them don't lather up very much, but this one's got tons of lather to it. So it reminds me a lot of your traditional store-bought shampoo. It's got some great lather, it's got great cleanse, but it's natural and it's got great ingredients, so you feel safe using it. I think it would be really cool for her to eventually introduce like more scents of shampoos and more of like a variety of different types of shampoos for different hair types. So I'm excited to see if she does launch anything like that in the future, because obviously this brand just launched in August, so they're not going to have like a whole bunch of products to choose from. But I am like really excited to see what other shampoos she comes out with, because this one is great, and I really would love to see like a moisturizing shampoo or like a thickening one, or just like, you know, just like a whole line of different shampoos. So I'm excited to see what she comes out with in the future. And it retails for $8.50, so that's like an awesome price, especially for a natural homemade product. And this bottle is also 8 ounces. I should probably mention that. And I just want to take a second to talk about her packaging, because her packaging is so nice and it's so professional. This literally looks like a product like I would see at the store. And her label even reminds me of like something you'd see at a store as well. It's very professional. I'm like envious of her labels because of how nice they are. I need to figure out her secrets. Also, I want to mention, because I think this is really important, her labels are waterproof. These labels are so nice. Out of all the products I've been sent, and even including my products, I think her labels are definitely the best labels I've seen. So it's recommended to follow the Super Cleanse shampoo with the nourishment conditioner, which is exactly what I did. So I really like this nourishment conditioner, just as I like the shampoo. So again, this is an 8-ounce bottle, and again, the label is very nice, very professional, exactly like what you would see at a store. It's waterproof. And again, this conditioner reminds me a lot of like your traditional hair conditioner. It's very moisturizing, hydrating. It has the same exact kind of texture. I also like how she has different colored caps. So like you can tell this is the shampoo because it's a black cap, and you can tell this is the conditioner because it has a white cap. So I really like how she did that. The scent of the conditioner actually reminds me of like an unscented lotion. It does have like a clean fragrance to it, a real clean like soft scent to it. I don't believe it's like purposely fragranced, because it doesn't look like it has any fragrance or essential oil in it. I think it's just a fragrance from the ingredients like naturally, but I really like it. And also the first ingredient is aloe vera. So if you're a fan of aloe vera, this is like an aloe vera based hair conditioner, and it's got all kinds of great ingredients like jojoba oil and shea butter, glycerin, panthenol, wheat protein, allantoin. Your hair is definitely being taken care of with this conditioner. And the same goes for the shampoo. It's got EcoCert surfactants, it's got panthenol, glycerin, soy protein, allantoin. So your hair is definitely being taken care of with these products. So after we we shampoo and condition our hair, it is time to do a hair conditioning mask. As I mentioned, I only wash my hair once a week, and it's always good to do some kind of hair mask at least once a week, especially for people like me who bleach their hair. And that is why I am so happy that she sent me this Moisture and Restore Deep Conditioning Mask. And I'm not even kidding, guys. I am obsessed with this stuff. If you're a fan of the scent of bananas, you're going to love this, because as soon as you open this up, you're just like bombarded with the fragrance of bananas, and I'm just like, oh my god, this smells so freaking good. I like literally want to eat it, but obviously you can't. It smells so freaking good. Alright, so let me talk from my own personal experience with this product, because I'm not even kidding, it is the best. I'm obsessed with it. I slapped this all over my hair, and not only my hair, but my extensions. So if you didn't know, these are extensions. This isn't my real hair. My real hair is here, like that's how short my real hair is, and then this is all extensions, so yeah. And I don't know if you've ever had hair extensions before, but they get pretty tangly after shampooing, no matter like what quality hair extensions you buy. They're pretty tangly after shampooing. Normally I am sitting there brushing my extensions out like forever after I shampoo and condition them, but now that I have this, I do a deep conditioning mask for my hair extensions every time after I wash them, because if I don't, they're so hard to brush out. So now that I have this, it's just like a piece of cake to brush out my extensions. And not only that, but my extensions and my hair smells like bananas for like 2 days at least after I use this. So if you like bananas and you need a good deep conditioning, this is the product you need. I'm so happy I was sent this. But this jar is 8 ounces, and of course, just like the shampoo and conditioner, it's got a really nice professional label that is waterproof. Also, I just want to read a little thing she has on the label because I think it's important. But this Moisture and Restore Deep Conditioning Mask is infused with organic banana juice, which is why it smells like bananas, which is high in potassium to strengthen the hair, reduce shedding and breakage. It also provides nourishment, moisture, elasticity, and luster to your tresses. So I think it goes without saying that this product is obviously my favorite, and I'm just like so obsessed with it, and I literally just like grab it all the time when I'm in the bathroom and just like sniff it. It's I'm not even kidding, guys. Like, if you're gonna buy anything from her, this is what you need. Like, this is so freaking good. I am obsessed. Also, one more thing about the deep conditioning hair mask is that this retails for $11.50, and like I said, this is an 8-ounce jar, so it's gonna last you quite a while. You need it. This is awesome. Like, trust me, take my word on it. This is freaking amazing. And I forgot to mention how much the nourishment conditioner is, but this goes for $10.50, and like I said, it's an 8-ounce bottle. So let's move on to the next product, and this one isn't a hair care product. It is a body care product, and it's called Silky Whipped Buttercream. So this is basically a really thick cream. So it's somewhere in between a lotion and a body butter. So it's not as like light as a lotion, but it's not quite as thick as a body butter. This is actually a really good go-between if you like just need something heavier than a lotion, but a body butter is like too heavy or greasy for you. This is what you need, because this is freaking amazing. And again, like, it smells so good I want to eat it. So the scent of this stuff is like kind of like a almost like a creamy mango. That's kind of what's coming to my mind right now. I could be wrong, but that's just like what I'm thinking. And like I said, this has like a really like thick lotion texture to it, but it's not quite as thick as like a body butter. Oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good, guys. I'm telling you, like, ugh. It smells so good. This retails for $6.50, and you get 4 ounces. So again, I think that's a really good deal, especially for a natural homemade product. And again, it's got a really nice professional label that is waterproof. Her labels are just so cute. I think she did such a good job on these labels, and I need to know her secrets. So yeah. Anyways, that is all the products that she sent me. I am so grateful for all the products she sent me. So thank you so much for sending me these products. Your guys' products are so amazing. Kennedi's Essentials, I love your hair care products. They're so good, and I'm so excited to see like what else you do with your brand, because you just opened in August and you already have all these great products. Like, I'm excited to see what else you do, because I think you have awesome potential. Your website is so cute and looks so professional, so go over and check out her website. But yeah, so that is everything I have for this review. Remember, if you guys want to go purchase anything from Kennedi's Essentials, the website is kennedysessentials.net. I'll have a link down in my description box along with direct links to all of these products And if you sign up for her newsletter, you'll get 20% off your first purchase, so why not? So if you want your products potentially reviewed here on my channel, email me, TaraLeeNaturals@gmail.com, and we'll talk about it over there. So now that we have reached the end of this video, it is time for my Patreon shoutouts. If you didn't know, I do have a Patreon. Over there you can sign up for all kinds of different things, but specifically I have a shoutout tier where when you sign up, you get a shoutout at the end of each of my videos along with a link to whatever website you want in my description box. So here we go with my shoutouts. So the first one goes to Herbalist Tracy, who owns Essence of Nature over on Etsy. I have done a review over her products in the past. I'll link to that review down in the description box along with a direct link to her Etsy shop. The next shout out goes out to Musical Mood Ring, who owns Stardust Bath & Body. As of right now when I'm recording this video, her website is not live, but you can go over there, type in your email, and get notified when it goes live. You can also go follow her on Instagram at Stardust Bath & Body and keep up with her over there. Next up is Nature's Farm Girl, who owns naturesfarmgirl.com. She sells all kinds of natural skincare and body care products, so hop on over there and I'm sure you'll find something you love. Next is Kennedi's Essentials, which this video was all about that brand, so I'm sure you guys are fully aware of what they sell. Go check them out, links in my description box. Next is Let's Blend, and I actually did a review on their products last week. I don't know, it was a couple videos ago. They sell all kinds of like body butters, lip balms, and soaps, so go check them out, link in the description box. So the next shout out actually goes out to a shop that is located in Miami, Florida, and they specialize in plant-based facials. They also offer all kinds of other stuff, which sounds amazing. It's called Young Forever Aesthetics, and you can also go over to their Instagram if you don't live in the Miami, Florida area, or even if you still do, go follow them on Instagram at Young Forever Aesthetics, and they actually give like skincare tips over there and just share all kinds of neat stuff, so check them out. So my last shout out goes out to Rice Porter, who owns Creative with Love, and she sells all kinds of different natural skincare products, body care products, so go over there, check out her website. It's super cute. Her website reminds me of Valentine's Day. So I do hope you guys enjoyed that review. Definitely go check out Kennedi's Essentials. Her products are awesome. That deep conditioning hair mask, guys, seriously, I can't recommend it more. If you love bananas, get it. You need it in your life. So yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. So if you guys didn't know, I do sell homemade skincare products myself over on my Etsy shop. I will link my Etsy shop up here, and I'll link it down in the description box so it's easy for you guys to find. So I hope you guys have a great week, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.